It's Wednesday, October 30th, 2019. It's about 10 after 2 p.m. We're in Laughlin, Nevada, Site 190. The winds picked up last night, and according to the radio, they were getting 30 to 35 mile an hour winds and some gusts as high as 40. One of our chairs, to match that one, is down over the hill. I'll get it later. You can see by our neighbor's windsock how strong the wind is, the direction it's going. Okay, so north is just about right behind this video right now. It's coming out of north-northwest. Dust in the air everywhere. Colder, I don't know. It's supposed to be in the 60s right now. With that wind, it's a lot colder on you. Oh, our one tire cover also blew off. Got that. I was able to chase that down before it went over the hill. Let's see if I can get some of the trees in the action here. Right here where I'm standing, I'm not feeling much wind. But as you can see, just past the Mini Winnie's front end, there haven't been many tractor trailers running on Arizona 95. That right there is Arizona 95, on this side of the Colorado River. Oh, there's the tractor trailer going, tanker. And it's supposed to go until tomorrow morning, mid-morning. There was a dust storm that went down at 95. That's going north to south on it earlier this morning. Boy, it was just high in the sky and covering the entire thing. See if we can pick up another gust before we end this video. We are rocking and rolling inside. Now, why did I go that way? Should have went the other way. There's the Seymour. Comes one more gust. I believe I'm getting my neighbor's windsock in the picture, yes. The sun's directly on the eyes and reflecting back into the viewfinder. Did see a good-sized jet plane take off this morning. You pulled the steam air part across the lake. How you doing, neighbor? Here comes a big gust. That's to kind of get this rocking. Let's see if I can get the video to see if we can get it rocking, or, well, I want to get it rocking. Yeah, how much that Mini Winnie shakes in this gusting wind. Thank goodness. So let's get out of the wind, get back here, and end the video. Also has a wind spinner on it for us. plugged in to the side wall there. Alright, that's it for this one.